Happy morning, children. I welcome you all for the online information technology class. Unscramble the words is the activity for this week, children. Kindly do the activity. Lesson number 6 deals with enlivening a presentation. So, Microsoft PowerPoint provides various tools and features to enhance the appearance of the presentation. Let's now learn how to do that in this video. Special effects assist you in making a presentation attractive, effective, engaging, and professional. The use of special effects create a better impact on the audience. We will now learn what is animation. The ability to move the objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any direction in the slide is called as animation. Animation is quite beneficial when you wish to focus on important points. It will also control the flow of the important information and help in increasing the interest of the audience. So you can animate the text, picture, shapes, tables, smart art graphics and other objects in the presentation by applying sound effects and visual effects including the movements. We will now learn to apply animation effects. To do this, you need to open any presentation. You need to select the object which you would like to animate. That's your first step. So select the object you would like to animate. The second step is you need to go to the animation tab. The third step is click on the animation pan from the advanced animation group. Your fourth step is you will have to click on your add animation option from the advanced animation group. There are four different types of animation effects. The first one is entrance. This effects design the manner in which an object enters into the slide during the slideshow. These effects make an object fade gradually into focus, fly in, float in, split, wipe, shape, wheel, random bar, grow and shrink, and so on. The second type of animation effect is emphasis. These effects can be seen when the object is on the slide during the slideshow. These effects make the object grow and shrink, spin, desaturate, darken, lighten, and so on. The other type of effects, which like your brush color, font color, underline, bold flash, bold reveal, and wave can be used for the text. The third type of animation effect is exit. Exit. These effects control the manner in which the object exits during the slideshow. Some of the effects are disappear, fade, fly out, float out, split, wipe, shape, bounce and swivel. The last one is your motion path. These effects allow the object to move up or down, left or right in a star or a circular pattern. These effects enable objects to move from one position to another on the slide on the specified path during the slideshow. We will now learn to apply your animation effects. You will have to choose the desired animation effect. After doing this, you will have to move to the timing group. The timing group will have two options. One is duration, the other one is delay. So the duration option helps to change and control the speed of the animation effect. Similarly, you can set the delay time before the animation begins using the delay box. Then the third option which you will look into is your play button. So when you click on the play button in the animation pan, you can preview the effects applied on the slide. Similarly, you can make use of the reorder buttons to change the order in which the animation effects appears. We will now learn what is transition. Transition effects appears when one slide changes to other during the slideshow view. We can apply transition effects to a single slide as well as to all the slides in the PowerPoint presentation. There are three different types of transition effects. One is subtle, second one is exciting, third one is dynamic content. We will now learn to add transition effect. To do this, first thing is you need to select the slide for which you would like to apply a transition. That's your first step. Second step is you need to click on the transition tab. Then the third step is you will see that the transition to the slide group appears on the ribbon. So when you click on that, you will find a lot of transition effects displayed onto the choice. I think I have told you that there will be three different types of transition effects available in the beginning when I taught you the introduction to transition. The first thing is subtle, second one is exciting, and third one is dynamic content. You can see different types of transitions which are appearing from this more option. Once you choose your transition effect, you can preview that first. Then after doing this, you need to move on to the effect option which is available in the transitions to this slide group. So choose one effect from it and then apply it onto the object and see. So there are different types of effect options. There are 8 different types of effect options. You can choose either one. So after doing this, move to a sound effect. By default, you have got a lot of sound effects which are available in PowerPoint. Choose any one of the sound effect, apply it as a background to your selected object and see. You have got applause. Applause is nothing but your clapping hands sound. You have arrow sound. You have got bomb sound. You have coin sound. You have got drum roll sound. So choose one and see, children. It is very, very interesting to explore on your own. Kindly try these effects and explore, children. Was discussing on sound effect. The sound effect is available in the timing group. When you work on the timing group, you need to learn on duration and advanced slide. So specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box in the timing group. Select the on mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by clicking the mouse. Click on after checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can also specify the slide advance timings in the spin box. Apart from this, you can click on the apply to all button to apply the selected effects to all the slides, or those effects which you have applied will get applied only to the current slide. After doing all this, now you need to go to your slideshow tab and then click on the from beginning button option. The slides will be displayed from the beginning along with the applied transition effects. Now these are the answers for the activity which I gave you in the beginning of the presentation. Kindly check your answers, children. We will meet again in the next video class, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.